Hello everyone, my name is Joseph and I am one of the lead STEM tutors at the ARC. Today I'll be introducing you to Google Drive. First, what is Google Drive? On your computer or laptop, you likely have many files and folders. Each folder can contain files or even other folders nested inside. All of these items are stored in your computer's memory or hard drive. Google Drive works exactly the same way. The only difference is that the files and folders aren't stored on your computer, they're stored on Google's computers. This actually has several advantages. The first is that you can access your files from anywhere on any device. For example, you can start working on a paper on one of the computers here at the ARC, and then seamlessly pick up where you left off using your laptop or home computer. There are even Google Drive apps for your phone and tablet. The fact that the files are not stored on your device also helps protect them. If your laptop kicks the bucket, your files won't be lost as well. Next, Google Drive has an autosave feature. You never have to worry, oh no, did I forget to save my work? Did I just lose the last few hours of edits I made? The answer is always no, because all your changes have been being saved quietly while you were making them. Fourth, Google Drive makes it easy to share files with others. In any document, I can click this Share button in the top right, type in the email of classmates or professors, and give them access to view or edit the document. Multiple people can even edit the same document at the same time. Last, because you already have a Google account linked to your student account at the college, you can immediately start using it. Google Drive is even integrated with your email, calendar, and other services. To access Google Drive, first open your favorite web browser. Navigate to brightpoint.edu and click on My Brightpoint. That will bring up this page where you'll need to log in with your My Brightpoint credentials and scroll down in the list until you find this item. Clicking it will open a new tab where you can access all of the features of Google Drive. If you want to create something, click on the New button on the left. From the menu that appears, you can create a folder to help you organize your work. If there is a file on your computer that you would like to store in Google Drive, you can also upload it here. Finally, you can choose a type of new file to create. If you have ever used Microsoft Office products, these will immediately feel familiar to you. Docs is Google's alternative to Microsoft Word and has most of the same features. You can type to create essays and change the appearance of the document using the settings in the top menu bar. Likewise, Sheets is the alternative to Microsoft Excel. You can select cells, enter data or formulas, and create graphs to visualize your data. Finally, Slides is similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. Here you can create presentations by adding text and graphics, then show off your work by clicking the slideshow button. As previously mentioned, all of these types of documents can easily be shared with other people. Just click the Share button at the top right. That will bring up this window where you can type the emails of the people you want to share with. You can continue adding as many people as you like. You can even change how much control they will have over your document using this drop-down menu. Once you're happy with your settings, you can click the Send button. This will email each of the people you added to invite them to begin collaborating. That was just a quick overview of all of the features that Google Drive offers. Personally, it has been an extremely useful tool for me during my academic journey, and I hope it will be similarly helpful to you. If you have any questions, please visit the ARC at one of our locations, visit our webpage, or contact us via email. We'd love to sit down with you and help you in any way we can, including helping you understand Google Drive better. Thanks so much for watching.